Hello kids, welcome to your online DSO class. Let me see, do you remember what we had learned in our past classes? Can you tell me children, how many senses do we have? Yes, we have 5 senses. We have 5 senses. Very good. And can you tell me how can we see a rainbow in the sky? Is it through our ears or through our eyes? Excellent! We can see a rainbow in the sky with the help of our eyes. Very good. Well done. So today we will be learning about a new sense, that is sense of hearing. What is it? Sense of hearing. So before learning the concept, why can't we just play a game? Are you all excited? Yes? Very good. So the game is known as Guess the Sound. I will play a sound. You have to listen it carefully and then guess the sound. Are you scared of the sound? Yes, I am so scared. Can you guess what was the sound? It was the sound of thunder. When it rains heavily, we can hear the sounds of thunder. Did you guess it right? Great job! Now let's hear the next sound. Did you guess the sound? It's the dog barking outside. Dog is a pet animal. Now the next sound. I think there is someone outside ringing the doorbell. So let's go and open the door. So now the next sound. Did you guess the sound? It's the birds chirping outside. It's the sound of the bird. Can you tell me which is our national bird? Peacock. Very good. Let's hear the next sound. Did you guess the sound? I think there is a mosquito. It bites us. You know, children, mosquito bite can cause dengue or malaria. So this is the sound of mosquito. Very good. How many correct guesses did you make? All of them. That's wonderful. Children, can you tell me how were we able to guess the sound? What will happen if we put finger in our ears and will try not to listen anything? Can we hear properly? No. So what is the thing that is required to hear? Our ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. So the sense of hearing is only possible through our ears. And sense of sight is possible due to our eyes. So now we have known the concept of sense of hearing. Did you all enjoy the activity? Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.